So this came a lot faster than I expected. I thought K-Town For You said that they will restock this on the 25th. Like, that's what it said on the website. But today's the 23rd. And I literally bought this. I mean, I ordered it like, what? Maybe 4 days ago? Not even joking. So I got 2 because why not? I'm just gonna unbox one because literally they're the same thing. So I technically didn't pre-order this because like the pre-order date was like way over, but like they kept extending it. So yeah, I got the photo cards. Let's look at them first. Let's look at these first. There's nothing on the back. How cute. And then the photo cards. How cute. Like, this is so cool that they made photo cards. Not the mole. The whole red outfit. Okay, let's look at this photos. I miss them already. Oh, like a little thing about them. She's so cool. I love her character. Oh, why am I so loud? This doesn't even look like they're in the same frame. The lip piercing. The first time they meet. That was fun. Wanted for different reasons. It basically goes through the whole show. I'm brushing his teeth. Look at his face. He's so annoyed. Oh my gosh. Red flag. when he started to fall in love. Cries. Oh my gosh, there's still so much left. But literally the whole show, but in pictures. Oh my god, why do I have that? Like literally right now. Like what the oof. Me when they do water at his face. Come save your boy. But look at them running and smiling. Chapter 2. He looks so excited. Oh my god. So cute. His gentle hands. His annoyed face. So tiny. Ooh, when he falls in love. So cute. When he finally notices. When he screenshot all of this, like, what? Oh boy, literally same. He looks so cute. I feel like I'm watching the show again. Not him smiling. Please, what was this? Like, I thought this was so cute. I'm just like running after him. So cute. Oh my gosh, look at him, he's so cute. It's like innocent baby eyes, and then he's annoyed again. Oh, look at him. The way I screamed when I saw this. Oh my god, look at that. Chapter 3. I'm not ready for this. This was such a good kiss. Not him asking about him. The way they held hands and he pulled him in, like I screaming. Please. Man, the scene was so but so good. So cute. So tiny. Please. It was like my favorite kiss. Like the sound and everything just The way they look at the camera, please. Behind the scenes. Oh my gosh, it's just all of him smiling. Oh my god, what the heck is this? Why is he Please, why are they looking at each other's hands? What is going on here? What? Oh my gosh, so tiny. So cute, and his birthday. I can't believe he left for the military, please. 2 years. It's so cute. Oh, black and white photos. Hey, they look so cool. Bruh, Soham is such a giant. Like, look at this. What in the... So cool. Cries. Alright, I'm ready for season 2. Cries. Wanted to show y'all. I put them cuties. Yeah. Yep.